Hey heroes, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Nathan Olson, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how the TikTok algorithm is updating in 2021, how to use it to grow, go viral, and really understand how the platform is evolving in 2021. Coming up. Alright, so the first update that's coming to TikTok is going to be the Learn tab. For the longest time, how-to videos have been a massive viral piece of content on YouTube and have garnered a ton of engagement and views for the platform. TikTok has noticed the same trend on their platform, with tons of creators posting amazing videos and almost always following it up with a how-to tutorial video on how to do the specific effect, transition, or overall edit of the video. And TikTok wants to capitalize this in order to start getting more people on the platform for educational aspects in terms of how to create this type of content, how to do certain things just by learning from other creators. TikTok is really looking to accentuate this educational pathway. And so they've started the Learn on TikTok hashtag. In early of summer 2020, Learn on TikTok became a huge viral trend where tons of creators were asked to create content for TikTok and this new hashtag Learn on TikTok. So creators have gone through and created tutorials, how-to videos, and other educational pieces of content to post under this new category in order to educate the TikTok community as a whole. And there are now sightings that the Learn tab could be making its epic debut in 2021. Following alongside with Following For You, the Learn tab will be an endless stream of educational content for specific creators and users in order to just surf the educational aspects that other creators in the TikTok platform has to offer. Now, there's no insight as to the type of tutorial videos that you will be getting populated in this Learning tab For You page, but you can expect that it's going to work similar to how the For You page and Following page work, where it's going to be based off your interests and actions on the platform. TikTok has even gone as far as to start partnering with educational institution and even offering a $50 million educational content creator fund that is a part of their $200 million content creator fund in order to get more people to start creating educational content for the platform and to really incite other big content creators, educational content creators, to jump on the platform and take advantage of that fund in order to produce professionally edited, very well put together educational content for the platform. TikTok algorithm update number 2, TikTok is looking to increase the video link time of the content on their platform. Now, certain creators over 100,000 followers have the ability to create 3-minute long videos. That's 3 times what the average video length was allowed on TikTok. It used to be only 60 seconds, but now they're testing this 3-minute phase in order to open up a new content pathway of longer form content. Now, for the longest time, people outside of TikTok and even influencers on other platforms look at TikTok influencers as just another cringy dance parody. But with this introduction of 3-minute long videos, we could see a lot more original, authentic, and professionally edited content start coming to the platform, which is gonna position TikTok as a bigger, better social application and social platform, where it's gonna take a lot more time and energy to create these professionally edited videos, but they're gonna deliver a lot more value. It's gonna upscale the overall quality of the content on TikTok a lot, because as it stands right now, I would say a high percentage of the overall content on TikTok is either somebody else's content or it's just poor quality just because of the nature of the people creating the videos. So opening up longer form content is really going to open up a gateway for professional creators on other platforms like YouTube or Instagram or Facebook to come on here and use their talent skills and their content creation skills to really create a perfect, well-edited video that delivers a ton of value. And I'm sure TikTok will start to see that although the attention span of people is dwindling as time goes on, people's attention spans are getting shorter, they want shorter form content. A lot of people are interested in long form content. I personally love a 3, 5, 10-minute video. I even watch YouTube videos that are up to 3 hours long, depending on how good the content is. So when you open up video length, you bring on better creators, better content creators that just have more professional talent to them. And because of that, people are willing to watch longer form content. That's even why we see on Snapchat stories, a place where it's native to have extremely short form content. We have these scenes and episodes and overall storylines that are released in short snippets, but they are longer than traditional Snapchats, and people still watch them all the way through to the end, and even to the end of the series. So long form content is not going anywhere. In fact, it's a vital area that TikTok needs to look at and they are looking into it by testing out this new feature. So expect to see video length time kind of play around with the overall amount of content creation time that you have on the platform. TikTok algorithm update number 3, probably my most favorite update, is TikTok is planning on testing e-commerce platforms and URL linking in their videos. This is specific to TikTok. Instagram now only currently allows story links as well as bio links, and then you can place links in videos only if you're running ads. But TikTok is testing this feature to potentially roll out to all creators over a certain threshold, similar to how Instagram story links and other business settings are only allowed to content creators on Instagram over 10,000 followers. But in late of 2019, TikTok started testing Wikipedia pages linking to specific TikTok videos in order to add more context to the content at hand. However, it now appears from snapshots floating up from other creators and influencers on TikTok, TikTok is now testing different businesses in order to link to in specific videos. Now creators can start linking to TripAdvisor, Yelp, and even Wikipedia in order to add more context to the content at hand, and even to list specific businesses and locations to their TikTok video. Now this is gonna open up a huge pathway for influencers, especially travel influencers and foodies alike. They're gonna be able to use this in order to, showcase where they got the perfect bite to eat, showcase where they went on their last vacation. And this is gonna drive a lot of traffic of people viewing TikTok, viewing the content on TikTok to those specific physical locations, if they're in that realm or if they feel like traveling to those certain locations. So this is gonna be great for influencers and businesses alike. I hope TikTok rolls this out to a ton of creators, just over any threshold really, because it's gonna help everyone, although it is driving people off of TikTok to other locations. As a whole, this is gonna be a great piece of advertising avenue and even marketing reach for TikTok businesses and influencers alike. But it's not just gonna stop there. In October of 2020, TikTok actually partnered with Shopify in order to let their 1 million plus merchants access to the TikTok audience and demographic. Now in Shopify, you can add a TikTok sales channel, which allows you to start promoting products and even advertise on TikTok, all from the safety and comfort of your Shopify sales dashboard. And this is gonna be huge because it's gonna allow a lot of ad revenue to be pushed into TikTok. It's gonna allow a lot of small businesses and online creators and online entrepreneurs and e-commerce shop owners alike to really promote their brand and business on TikTok, where a large percentage of their demographic is probably existing, especially if you have a younger audience. TikTok algorithm update number 4, possibly removing the following For You page. Now, for the longest time, TikTok thought that because you're following specific creators on the platform that you're interested in all of their content, and that's probably what you're gonna wanna watch the most. But it seems that the following For You page is probably one of the most underutilized pieces of Explore page on the TikTok platform. I know myself as well as other creators almost never look at the following For You page, and we've started to notice that content from people that we follow is starting to populate the For You page more, which is indicative of that TikTok is testing new places to start placing that content from people you follow, because if the following For You page is not being utilized, no one's viewing that content, and therefore the people you follow, the people you actually like, the creators you want to watch are not getting the views that they should be generating. And so TikTok is starting to incorporate it more natively back into the For You page where it initially was. I thought the split from For You page and following page, although it created a segment for people to view content from creators they follow, I know a lot of people are simply just looking for new content, new creators. So the For You page is strictly somewhere where I do a lot of my viewing on TikTok, and I know a lot of other people do as well, because when you go to the following page, even if you follow a small amount of people, it becomes very redundant. And even if you follow, I personally only follow, I think like 100 or 200 people, but it even becomes redundant in that aspect. So I don't view it as much because I've seen a lot of the content on there. Nothing feels new. So the For You page is constantly new, giving me new information and new engagement. So TikTok is looking to possibly move the following For You page back into the regular For You page. And this could be the shift that we're looking at, replacing that following For You with the learning education tab that we talked about in the prior update. So this split really is just to start promoting the content creators that you actually like to watch, because where that content is being placed right now, no one is viewing it. So the merge of the For You page and the following page should probably happen sometime in 2021. All right guys, algorithm update number 5, effects are going viral like crazy. And that's because TikTok wants to differentiate itself from Instagram Reels, which almost seems like an exact copy of the platform. I know a lot of people, when Instagram Reels was first published, thought that, Instagram Reels was going to take over TikTok and really just destroy it like they did with Snapchat Stories. Unfortunately, what Instagram Reels didn't realize is that TikTok's effects library is just so robust. It allows for fantastic content creation and editing that really you don't get anywhere else. I wish YouTube looked at TikTok on how they do a lot of their editing, because you can do so much editing. Specifically as a content creator, the amount of editing that you can do on TikTok is just fantastic. It's a lot of things that you see happen in really high-level professional editing platforms like Adobe Premiere. So TikTok is just itself an extremely robust editing platform and content creation tool, and they're looking to maximize that because that's one of the things that differentiates them from Instagram Reels by miles. Because Instagram Reels, although almost every aspect compares to TikTok exactly the same, their effects library and their overall filters are just not in the same caliber as TikTok. That's why in late of 2020 of TikTok and even earlier, you started seeing effects going viral like crazy. I know you guys started to see effects like out of body, wacky mirror, neon shadow, and time warp. All of those effects generated massive amounts of user-generated content over just a couple of weeks and have spiraled to viral supernova status. And that's something that just hasn't been replicated on Instagram Reels or Instagram at all, really. I know a couple of things like the Disney filter originally started on Instagram and a couple other filters like that, but nothing to the caliber or even magnitude that TikTok is able to generate, because that's just 4 or 5 different effects that were able to go viral in just a short amount of time, and it constantly keeps happening. I know that new effects are going viral as we speak right now. So you guys should look at effects that could help edit your videos, and even effects that are certainly starting to trend, because that's gonna be a major piece to help your content go viral and really explode on the platform. All right guys, that's all the TikTok algorithm updates I was able to find in 2021. We are still searching for new ones because TikTok is evolving so rapidly and so quickly, and we can expect that even more businesses, brands, and influencers are still jumping on the platform every single day, so organic reach is not dead. If you have not started TikTok yet, I promise you that you are missing out on a ton of free organic traffic and reach for any one of your social platforms or even your business or brand, because you can still drive traffic off of TikTok. But you guys need to utilize these algorithm updates in order to fine-tune your content, optimize your TikTok content strategy to really grow and go viral on the platform. If you have any questions on how to grow on TikTok, make sure to check out some of our other videos on this YouTube channel. Drop a comment in the comment section down below. I'll answer any and all questions for you guys. But if you need some help or you really want to grow absolutely fast on TikTok with manual growth, make sure to head over to yourcharisma.com, where we have TikTok growth automation for you, and we'll help you get from 0 to 100K in no time. All right, guys, that's gonna end this video. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed, and make sure to stay tuned to the next one.